Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks to Ashimary here for sending another wig. We are gonna go inside. We have lots of tape and it is a 360 lace wig. How cool. Lashes, wig cap, bonnet, a band, edge band, a comb, and a razor. Now let's get into the wig. We have extra clips. Oh, this is a full lace wig. 360. It's a water wave 360 in Visi strap, snug fit, transparent lace, sorry. Frontal. The knots are bleached. It's a pre-cut lace wig. Now this is how it looks. I am excited for this because it's completely 360. I believe you pull here. Oh, look at that! How freaking cool. The wig is brand. I like that. Now we are gonna go upstairs and we're gonna do this. It's a complete full lace that can be glueless, okay? And then around the back, so I'm excited to see this. Let's go upstairs and start with this install. It's a full lace. It is full. When I say full, I mean full. That's the lace right there. I love the curl. Let's go and install this beautiful wig. Alright guys, so we're gonna install this wig. I know I look crazy, but this is how the wig look. I didn't do nothing to it, so the curl pattern is still there. Only thing I did was add makeup on the lace right there, as you guys are seeing. Now let's talk about the Invisi straps. They put 3 right there. All we have to do, and this is a 360 wig, so it's completely glueless. All you have to do is pull it down and it's gonna be snug. So once you pull it, it's gonna look something like this. Super easy. Now because it's not on my head, I'm gonna pull it again so it opened back. I love the water wave. It's 26 inches as well. Let's see how this works on my head. I did nothing to this wig. So basically this is how it looks. We are gonna try the test, but let's make sure it's down on the head first. You guys see? You're ready. Oh, I feel like, all right, let's try and see if we can show you guys around the back of how we're gonna pull the strings. Alright y'all, that is how it looks for now. Let's see if it's completely on the head. We are gonna shake our head. I need to stand up. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's go, come on. Perfect. We are gonna go in with the Got To Be spray, and I'm gonna secure this wig some more on my head so we have that styling to do. Alright, first things first, I need to clean my tail comb off because it is sticky with glue, but I like it. I try to use the hot comb to just bring back the hair so it's manageable, and that's how beginner friendly it is. Like, use a hot comb to do all of that. So let's go in with the ebbing spray. I want to make sure it is centered, and we're going to start with hair. And we're doing this section by section. So the first thing is to do this area. Let's cool it.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money, how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerize by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then slip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change on my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am.
Alright guys, so we are done so far. I am definitely going to tie this up. I'm not sure. I want to do an updo hairstyle with this hair just because it's a 360 wig. So we're going to put the band around it for a couple minutes, and then we are going to come back. I'm going to think about how I'm going to style it. Alright, there we go. We are going to cut these off. But I'm going to think about how to style it, and I'll be back. I'm going to let this sit for like 5 minutes, and we are going to be back. So stay tuned. Alright, let's cut these off.
You make me feel so prominent. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Is it dropping like that? I love it when you move
Alright guys, I did my makeup, and when I tell you how lit I look, I feel like hands down updo is the way to go for me. Like, what's this in my hair? There's makeup in my hair, guys. But nevertheless, Ashimary here, I'm feeling it. Yeah, this is it, y'all. I had to. My daughter is here with me. So I went ahead, you guys saw that I made some curls. When I tell you to make that the curls was super easy, we have some baby ear situation going on, but that's perfectly fine. I love a updo. This ear is absolutely everything. Remember, it's a 360 wig, so I could even do like this. We can go ahead and do it like this. Perfect, right? We can also do it like this. I don't have a thing to pin it up. We can do it like this. And look at the back. Let's just take a minute. Oh,
water. I want water.
I love this.
I want water.
Alright, this is it, guys. Everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you guys check it out. I got the 26 inches and I love it. Look at that. Look at these curls, guys. Ugh.
Lord forgive me. Lord forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. This don't kill my vibe. This don't kill my vibe. This don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my music I was sharing, but today I'm yelling. This don't kill my vibe. This don't kill my vibe.